What did you find? A birdie. A birdie? Oh, cute. Okay, bye. Oh.
Man, I really wish I could have a chance at holding that bird. Oh, okay, so you're gonna laugh at me. That's rude.
Yeah.
Hey, no, come on. I asked first. What the?
Birdie.
Hey, she already had her turn. What about me? Okay, now can I hold it?
We go put him back now.
What? I didn't even get a chance with it. What the heck? Oh, sure. Yeah, just ignore me. That's brilliant. What a jerk. Jeez, it's like I'm invisible or something. Oh, jeez, I'm sorry. I should have knocked. Well, congratulations. I hope you feel special. You're the only one that got to hold the bird.